Lakshmi Anand here, and welcome again to Intune. In this episode, I chat with Sri G. Guru Prasanna, a sought-after Kanjira exponent who has played with many doyens and rising stars alike. We begin with a clip of his playing with Sri Abhishek Raghuram on vocal, Akkarai Miss Subbalakshmi on violin, and Patri Sri Satish Kumar on mridangam. He then shares some thoughts on his training and accompanying etiquette. We conclude with a Kanjira solo by Sri Guru Prasanna. For much more on him and many other Indian classical musicians, visit lakshmianand.com, lakshmianand.com.
ரகுவரனு மரவரகு ரகுவரனு மரவரகு ரகுவரனு மரவரகு மரவரகு நகதர பக்த ஜன நகதர பக்த ஜன நகதர பக்த ஜன நகதர பக்த ஜனாக நிவாரண நகதர பக்த ஜனாக நிவாரண ரகுவரன மனசுனீக்க மருளு கொண்டானு ராமன சுனீக்க மருளு கொண்டானு ராமன சுனீக்க மருளு கொண்டானு ராமன மருளு கொள்ளானுரா மனசுன நீ மருளு கொள்ளானுரா மனசுன நீ மருளு கொண்டானுரா மனசுன நீக்க மனசுன நீக்க மருளு கொண்டானுரா மனசுன நீக்க கொண்டானுரா மனசுன நீக்க மருளு கொண்டானுரா மனசுன மருளு கொள்ளானுடா நீக்கே மருளு கொள்ளானுடா மனசுனி கே மருளு கொள்ளானுடா மனசுனி கே மருளு கொள்ளானுடா மனசுனி கே மருளு கொள்ளானுடா மனசுனி கே. மருளு கொள்ளானுடா மனசுனன் நீகே மருளு கொள்ளானுடா மனசுனன் நீகே மருளு கொள்ளானுடா மனசுனி கே மருளு கொள்ளானுடா மனசுனி கே மருளு கொள்ளானுடா மனசுனி. நீரி நிதர நிமன சுனங்க நீரி நிசரணி பதமன சுன நீரி சதனி மனித மனசுனடி கமத கமனி மத சாடரி சாரி நிசடனி மனசுனடி கம மபகம பத தனி பத நீட்ட ஹரி நீட்ட நிததட்டி தனி பத மபகம நிகதரி நிகரேச சரிக மதிகம பகம பத நிதமன சுனகி நிதடித்த நிதமன நிதட்டி தபமகம நிதட்டி தபமன சுன கமத கமனித கபத கமனித பம கமனித மதனி மாதமன நிரித நிதமன நிதட்டி தப கபதனி தபமகமதி மன దని దవ మర నిరి దని దవ మర నిరి గరి దని దవ మగ మగర ద మరి ని దని ని ద మర పని మద పని మన సున దని దవ మగ మని దని దని దవ మగ మని దని ని దవ మగ మని దని ని ద మగ మర దని ద మర ని ద గ వ దని ని దని దవ మని మన సున ba 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 ma ba 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 ma ba da ba ma da ba ma ma ga da ba ga ri ga ma da ga da ba ma ba ga ma da ba ma ga ma ba ri ga da ba ma ga ma ba ri ga ni da ga ga ni da ga da ni da ga sa ga ni da ga ma ba ga ma da ba ma ga ri ma ga ni da ri ga ma ba ri ga ma ba ri ga Ba 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 ma ga ma da ba ma ga ni da ni da ri ga ma ba ba da ba ma ga ma ga ri ga ma ga ba ma da ma ba da ba da ba ma ga ri ga ma ga ni da ri da ga ni ma ga da ma ni da ba ma ga ri ga ma ba da ba ma ri ga ma ba ma sa ga ri ga ba da ba pa pa da ba ma ma ga ma ga ri ga ri da ri ga ma pa da ba ma pa ma ga ri da ri ga ma da ma pa ga ri ga ri ga ma pa pa da ba ma ga ri ga ma pa da ba ma ga ri ni ri pa ma da ma ga ri da ni da ri ga ma ga ma ga ba ma ma da ma ma ga ma ga da ba ga ba ni da ma ga ma ni da ma da ba ma ga ma ni da ma ri ga ni da ba ma ga ma ga ma da ba ga ba ma da ba ma ga ma ba ma ni da ba ma ba da ba da ni da ba da ni ri da ni da ni da da ni da ni da ni da ni da ni da ba da ni da ba ma ba da ba ga ma da ba ga ba ni da ga ba da ni ma da ni da ni 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 ma da ma da ni da ga ma ga ma da ba ni ga ri sa ga sa ma sa ba sa da ma ba ga ma ri ga ma ga ma da ma da pa ma ba da ma ba da ni da ba ma ba da ma ga ri ga ma da ma ga ri ga ma da ma ma da ga ri ga da ma da ma ga ri ga ma da ma ga ri ga ni da ni ma da ni da ma ga ri ga ma da ni da ma da ni da ma ga ma ni da ma ma ga ma da ni da ma ga ma ni da ni da ni da ma ga ma da ni da ga ma da ni da ni da ni da ni da ba ma da ba ga ba ni da ga ba da ni da ba ma ga ma da ba ma ba ni da ba da ni ga ma da ga ga da ni da ma da ba ga ma da ni da ni da ro da ni da ba ma ga ma da ni 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 da da ni da ni da ni da ni ga ni da ni da ni da ni da ni da ma da ni da ma da ni da ga ma da ba da ni da ni da ni ga ni da ni da ni ga ni da ni ti re ga ni da ni da ni ga ni da ni ni da ma ga ni da ni da ni ga ma ga ni da ni da ni da ba ma ga ma magari dani sabara ni dari gama padani gama ni da sabara ni dari gari da ni da magari da ni da gari magaba pada pani da ni da ni da da baba gama ni da magari da ni dari gama da magari da ni dari gama da ni da gama da ni dari gari magari da ni da gama da ni da ni da ni tani tadda ni da ni ma ni da ni da magari da ti baba biga baba gama ni da dari gama da gama da gama da ni gama da ni baba da ni da ni ta ni ti tani tadda ni gama ga ni da 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 mama ni da ni da ni da ni da ni da mama na suna మరులు కొన్నానుర సజ్జనగీత జగరాజగర చిర రఘువరణ
with Mridangam fingering techniques, probably it went for about 8 to 9 years. I started playing Kanjira somewhere in 92, 93 when I started visualizing these things. This went on till 2000, year 2000. Right, so that is when one of those concerts, I still remember, I have to be really frank in telling this. It was a concert with Sri Unnikrishnan in one of the organizations in Bangalore. It was a packed auditorium. Mysore Sri, no, H.K. Venkatram sir on the violin, V. Praveen sir on the mridangam, and I was in the Kanjira. The way V. Praveen sir played, I was found wanting. And that is the time I really felt I could not eat or sleep for 3-4 days after that concert. Still remember that concert date. It was October 21st, 2000.
Okay.
That was the date which I'll never forget. I was found wanting on the stage. It was like a crowd of around 3,000 people. And I felt like, oh man, I need to do something if I have to perform at this level, kind of a thing. And that is when I called up my Guruji Shivu sir and I told, sir, I need to talk to you personally. And I told him, he was always like fond of me and told, no problem, tell me what is, I feel like you are going through some kind of a emotion, what it is. And I told, sir, this is what happened. I played a concert 2 days before and I felt like I was wanting on stage. I want to learn Kanjira, and I think this is some very strong urge is coming from me that I want to learn Kanjira. Then unfortunately, what happened is I couldn't go to Harishankar sir directly because I was doing my engineering and my schedules were a little erratic at that point of time with project and studies, and commuting to Chennai and Bangalore. It was a little challenging for me. So, and at that time he told Vyasa Vittal is there, and Shivu sir and Vyasa Vittal sir are very, very close friends for many years. And he told Vyasa is the first disciple of Harishankar. So why don't you go and learn with him? I will call him up right away. Then it just happened like that. After I kept my phone, he gave me his number. He told, I will call him up, you call him next. Then within 5 minutes, he called him up, spoke to him, whatever he wanted to speak. And then maybe within half an hour, I called him up. He told, okay, come over. Tomorrow you come over, is what he told. Next day, I went to his house. No looking back from then on. So I went with a whiteboard. He told, don't practice, don't touch Mridangam for 5 years. Nothing will happen. You have already practiced Mridangam for probably 15 plus years, 16 years now. Nothing. Whatever learning you have, you will not lose. Don't touch 5 years.
So do you had to relearn everything pretty much, or in terms of fingering?
Absolutely. Unlearn and relearn. That was the most difficult part probably I've ever gone in my journey, in my music. And that is the most beautiful part as well.
So being a percussion instrument, you can interpret it as mathematics, right? You can think of it as 3 cycles of 6, 5, 7. You can interpret it. You can think of it in whichever way. Think of it that way, or do you look at it as sound, or do you imagine a song for it, or do you imagine a particular talam or a nadai, or how did you interpret it? I'm just curious to know.
Super question, madam. I mean, this is one of the most interesting questions anybody has asked me till date. One of the things which happens, as you rightly told, math actually is inherent in percussion. But what I see is the phrase. For example, if Mridangam, if we start playing a nade, like nadimi dimi tadimi nadimi dimi tadimi nadimi dimi tadimi nadimi dimi, there is an intonation associated with it. What is the intonation? It is the sound part. And I used to roughly make a picture, like, okay, like this cycle, there is a nade of cycles which is happening, how it is getting developed. And then, okay, there is a phrase which comes, okay, nadimi dimi tadimi nadimi dimi tadimi nadimi dimi ta tarikata. Okay, when that comes, what is that phrase? Where did it start? I was not calculating on how many letters it is, but I used to say, okay, ta tarikata is, where does it start? Where is he starting? I was very curious, because for me, I had to learn those things. And I used to understand those. So nadimi dimi tadimi is one part, one section of horizontal. Then if you consider a Gadbad ice cream kind of a thing, there are layers to it, right? So one layer is nade, one layer is a shol, which is the crux of the ending part which is coming. And then how does that sholkat or a phrase which is getting morphed into a bigger series of things. Then try to understand the pattern emerging out of it. It could be a yati, it could be a gopucha yati, ascending order, descending order. What is that which is happening? And I used to understand that way. Of course, I used to get muddled into it. I used to ask, okay, what is it, kind of a thing.
As a Ghattam or a Ganjira artist, sometimes you cannot hear that Umayalpuram Kodandarama here in isolation. You might not be able to hear Hari Shankar in isolation, except in a Tani. But the Tani, as pretty much everybody says, the Tani is very nice. It showcases your skills. But at the end of it, your appeal as a percussionist is based on how you play for the music, right? The Tani is a place you showcase your skills. So a lot of the learning is in how you play for the music. That is the harder part. The Tani probably somebody can script and you can go and play, but you cannot script the music.
So very, very well crafted question, madam. I think, I don't know, I mean, if I will be able to do justice to this question, but what I have experienced is, I have always tried to listen to every artist. There is a mini groups or mini dynamics that happen on the stage also, right? So it could be with the vocal or flute, with the mridangam, with the violin, how the dynamics happen. And with vocal and kanjira, I have seen that happen with so many artists, right? So KVN sir with Hari Shankar sir, Ramani sir with Hari Shankar sir, Mali sir with Hari Shankar sir, because there are so many beautiful conversations that has happened with that. And one concert I remember where Sesh Gopalan sir, Naganna, Raghu sir, it was in Odakattur Math again, and Vinayak Ram sir on the Ghatam, right? So you could imagine, right? Sesh Gopalan sir, Naganna, Mysore Nagaraj sir, and Raghu sir. It's complete brains together, mountains of brains it is. And obviously there were too many things which was done. And it was, Vinayak Ram sir was not even noticed in that. And there is still that dynamics happen. What is Vinayak Ram sir doing? And when it came, whenever he played Sarvalagu on that day, which was most applauded by so many people, right? So, and so these are small dynamics, what will happen, how it will happen, kind of a thing. So yes, it is not heard in isolation, but whenever what I listen to is, let's say, for example, Sivaraman sir, when one concert where he played, I was there in this concert, Naiveli Santan Gopalan sir, and Mysore Manjunath sir on violin, Sivaraman sir and Hari Shankar sir on the Kanjira. It was held in 1998, Indian Fine Arts, which was there in German Hall. That time they used to do in German Hall. We were feeling why that fireworks is not happening, what is happening, kind of a thing. And in one place, Hari Shankar sir took the instrument and played one Tarikadadim. Tarikadadim he played. Sivaraman sir immediately turned, sorry. That's all. We could hear that, right? So yes, it is not heard in isolation, but that Tarikadadim changed the entire mood of the concert. Small tones like dum, dum, dum. Hari Shankar sir used to play when following. It was so apt and exact precision on that note, that place, that particular phrase. It meant so much. It meant so much. And I also remember one concert where Sivaraman sir played, where Devi Brova Samayamide. For this, it was a very slow-paced kriti, and I think OST sir only was completely very sedate kind of a atmosphere was built in. Hari Shankar sir sat like this entire kriti. It meant so much. So it's not always is about being heard. It's what is the meaning you associated with the pause is something, as a Kanjira artist or as a Ghatam artist, we all have to understand what is the meaning associated with that pause, right? So it's not about only I play and being heard. When to play what, when not to play, and how. It's not about, okay, I'm not playing, I'm sad. No, you are not playing because you are aware that you are not playing.